What is up, friends, and welcome to a new day. How you guys doing? So me and Isaac, we are getting busy today. Last video you saw we couldn't finish the windows. Utterly upsetting, but today I'm gonna finish framing. Before that, I'm cooking breakfast. Cooking an actual normal pancake, not super massive like normal. Got that on the grill, our little pork sausage. And then I got eggs coming afterwards. I'll show you the finished results here in a little bit.
This looks so good. This is the best breakfast Levi has ever put out of this shop.
Slice the egg open because I made sure you got the runny yolk.
Woo! Danny Queen ain't got nothing on us.
Alright friends, so you got to see my breakfast I made today. We went into town and we went shopping and I bought some stuff to make cooking a lot easier that I'm used to. So Isaac said it turned out so much better than every other time and it looks dang good from my end too, so I'm excited to try it.
You should tell them about our vow.
Oh, that's right.
We're set a goal. Tell them.
So, like Isaac said, we set our goal, and our goal is to stop eating out. Eating out is super expensive and highly unhealthy. And me and Isaac, we want to get hot. We want to have those 6-packs. But we're gonna not eat anymore, and that's why I started cooking. That's why we bought a lot more actual cooking type things at the store this time. But the challenge that Isaac doesn't know about, that I'm gonna try to get him to join right now. Isaac, every time throughout the day, if either one of us says drop and give us 5, we do 5 push-ups. And I will join it every time. We can't go crazy, but every time you say give me 5, I'll get down to 5 push-ups.
I'm gonna bust a build, bro.
5 push-ups ain't gonna take too long.
Adds up.
It does. It adds up to give you strength and make you look good.
Compound interest.
Do you not want to look good? I want to look good.
I'll look good after the bust a build.
Well, we couldn't get him to join. I'll do it myself. I need to get in my push-ups.
Drop and give us 5.
I'm eating food.
Oh!
Since he ain't joining, he can't tell me when to do it. He ain't even joining the challenge.
Oh, okay. Well, who's gonna tell you to drop and give you 5 then?
Myself.
Oh, okay. That'll do. Okay.
And if you see me lacking, call me out.
I just did.
Okay, whatever. All right, guys. That ends the breakfast segment. So we're gonna go ahead and start framing soon. Catch you then. Just to break up the continuity in the video. Breaking up the continuity in the video. What are you up to? Oh, looking, installing the lights.
LEDs, baby.
Nice.
Switching to LEDs.
Nice. Cool. Me and Isaac have just been listening to music, getting work done. I put in my music and I finished the entire roof in like 2 to 4-ish hours. I hadn't been keeping track of time. But what needed to be done is done. So I got framing done, everything. The frames on the window leads, the framing on the top, it is fully done. So that's exciting. Thank you. He has no idea it's been like that for about half an hour and I ain't saying anything. And an absolute good morning to you beautiful fellows out there. Friends, amigos, and them hidden lovers. How are you guys doing this day? So today, we are gonna go work on the big bus. We have a friend over by the name of Josh. He has currently been here and helping, and he has been killing it. So we're gonna go check out his work here in a moment that he was able to accomplish. But my job and my task for the day is to go ahead and start getting the bus insulated. We're gonna first put down our kill mat, and then we will do potentially Havelock. So yeah, that's really the start of the day. Let's just get to it, you know?
friends and amigos, welcome back. So, as you've gotten to see, I have started to kill mat the sides. As you saw earlier in the video, our homeboy Josh is here. Super amazing guy. He got a ton done while I was being lazy and slept. But on that note, I have done the kill matting the sides. I'm not gonna go interrupt his little area at the moment. He's working on getting the rust off the floor. So I'll finish the sides and the roof over there later. But for the time being, what we're doing is just kill matting the roof now. We can't do the middle section because we still got things to do in the middle section. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the sides on both sides and kill mat it all the way down, and we might even start insulating today because this is going faster than I thought. Let's get to it. All right, friends, as you can see, my mask is progressively getting darker. Homeboy is killing it with that rust removal. It is like, wow, bad. But we're making it not bad anymore. So I had Isaac check on the work just to make sure things were okay. And earlier you should see that this was kill matted. Isaac just removed it by hand. So it's not really sticking well. So what I'm gonna do is go over it with my little Scotch pad. Bam! I'm gonna scratch up, or not even really scratch, just wipe it down with the Scotch pad. Hopefully it makes it a little more adhesive, and then we're just gonna start putting it up. Look at that, the height works out perfectly. Guys, we are heading off to lunch now. We've been kicking some serious butt today. We're halfway through with the bus rust removal. Homeboy killing it. Isaac got all the front wiring with the lights done. It's looking pretty awesome. So,
yeah.
We'll catch you after lunch. All right, coming to you in the middle of the night. It is 4 a.m. and I'm finishing up this video. I just had to drop a quick explanation here. So we just got back from lunch and I brought up this fact to Isaac. Hey, we're removing the rust. We are creating a lot of dust all around the bus. Why are we trying to kill mat at this moment? So that's why it swapped to a new day. They finished up the floors. There's nothing much else I could do. And we had to stop with the kill mat / insulation altogether. The rust was just blowing massive cloud of rust dust into the air. The masks were pretty bad. All right, friends, amigos, we got a new day starting up. So they ended up finishing up the rust removal yesterday. It is good. So around the bottom of the bus, we got a lot of gunk, like old caulk, really nasty stuff. So I'm removing that. I've already done about one side, and now it's time to hit the other while they finish getting the wheel wells. So while they're gonna be working on that, I'll do my business. Scoop, scoop!
So my people, my guys, how are you? So it's a new day. I don't know if I stated that at all today, but today we're not able to do our insulation, unfortunately. So we swapped plans. I ran the entire bus. You can especially see on the wheel welds, nasty stuff. We needed to get all of those caulk lines out, all the old nasty. Well, let's fix the light first. All right, now that the light's fixed, we spent about the last 3 hours getting this done. We're not even fully finished just yet, but the gunk around the sides is fully removed, and bam! Once again, we see my work. But from here, we're just gonna hit the wire wheel, finish up all this gunk, try to get as much of it out of here as we can because the floor is done. We're cleaning up, wiping up today, and we're getting it prepped and ready because the rust is done. The whole step completed. And I gotta say, major shout out to my main man, Josh. Camera flip. Love it. Major shout out to that gentleman. He has been killing it. He has been helping us with everything we needed help with. It is amazing. But that's what we did for the day. And blammo! Our blooper